Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your user picture on your Mac step by step. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Now click on Users and Groups. At the top, you'll see your current user account. Next, click on your profile picture. A new window will appear with different options. Here, you can choose from Apple's default images, your photos library, or even take a new picture using your Mac's camera. If you want to use your own image, click on Photos or Choose and select a picture from your files. You can also adjust and position the image to fit perfectly. Once you're happy with it, click Save or Done. Your new user picture will be applied instantly, and that's it. That's how you change your user picture on a Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.